I'm Jack Susi.
I'm Julia Mizuki.
I'm Ryan Hideri.
I'm Matt Riccadelli.
And
we are
the Purple
Cobras. We're here in Amherst, Massachusetts at Puffer's Pond.
And we're gonna pick up some trash.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah.
A place like this shows the natural beauty of the world, and yet some still use it as a garbage can. Puffer's Pond is a popular recreational destination for many locals and students at UMass Amherst. We four set out on a quest to clean such a scenic place. We wanted to rid the land of trash. It did not take much more than a plastic bag and some time. Cleaning up trash was not an arduous process and can be done by anyone, anywhere. Some trash takes hundreds or thousands of years to biodegrade, so it must be cleaned up. With a pair of gloves and a bag, helping the environment is easy and rewarding. Sometimes it can even be fun.
Hey, is that a beer can?
According to recent findings, as many as 75% of Americans have admitted to littering in the past 5 years. This is shocking, as littering is actually illegal. Despite this, around $11.5 billion are spent each year in the US on efforts to clean up all the trash that plagues nature.
Yeah.
Environment.
So try it. Get a few of your friends together, go out for a hike, and pick up any trash you see. You might just save the world.
Thanks, Lena.
What are we doing?
What?
Yeah, don't just park up.
I don't know about you, but I'm so tired of picking up trash.
Oh.